Let's practice a little bit more with the pivot tables. There's a lot of ways that we can summarize this data. Right now I have it aggregated by color. Well, perhaps I want to aggregate it by both color and also by rating. For example, maybe I'm interested in knowing the number of gold items that were rated a 5. One way I can do this is to pull the rating into the rows as well. So I'm going to drag rating into the rows, and now it's going to break down the data by both color and rating. And so now I can see that the number of gold items that were rated a 5, that count is 19. Now average might not make sense to keep in here anymore since all of these have a rating of 5. The average is going to also be 5, so I would choose to remove that field. So I can click over here and just go to remove field. Okay, and so now I have again the count for each color and item. All right, let's try another. Let's suppose that I want to know what the average rating is for all gold and silver/white items combined. I can also add a filter for my measures. So first of all, let's bring back the average rating, or I've already got rating here as a count. I'm going to just go ahead and change that back to average. I'm going to remove this field to get everything back to color. So I'm going to remove this field. And what I want to know is the combined average for both gold and silver/white. You'll notice here that I have a filter option. So I'm going to bring color down to the filter. And right now it is showing the average for everything, for all colors. But I can come up here and select certain items, and I will select gold and silver/white, and OK. And so now it's going to give me the average for just those items within that category of gold or silver/white. And so the average rating is 4.15. All right, so you might have the feeling that yes, there's a lot of ways that we can summarize this data, and the pivot table makes it really easy to do so. So I encourage you to play around with it a little bit more. You'll find lots of different ways that you can easily summarize data using the pivot table.